Transisting Island fam, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday and already light coming from that way, so but behind me looking terrible, so yeah. But anyway, it is Sunday and I'm about to cook some food. So I'm going to make chow mein, Chinese noodles and stewed chicken for lunch today. I have my chicken in the pack, defrosting so that I can season it. My veggies are all cut up and ready to go, and I'm about to put on the water to cook the noodles. So that's what I'm about to do. I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but for right now that's what I'm doing, and I will get back to you all later. So let me go put on my water for my noodles, season my chicken, and get things popping because it's Sunday. We need to eat, right? We need to eat. Okay, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So now I'm going to season my chicken. It's all washed and cleaned, and then we gotta put seasoning in it. Well, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so when I get bad camera angles, I'm sorry, but we're gonna put some green seasoning in that. And camera coming up the focus, sorry. Green seasoning up in that paste. Now we're getting some black pepper. Okay, plain black pepper. That's that. What else we putting in here? What else we putting in here? Putting some other seasonings in there. All these is like ground seasonings like jeera and cinnamon and all kind of different spices and stuff. That's what going in there. Again, sorry for the bad angle because I'm doing it with one hand. We need some salt. Oh yeah, I have to stop to get the salt because I have to open the container and I can't open it with one hand. So give me a second. Alrighty then. So we have gotten our seasonings in there. Some mustard, some salt, some more of other grind seasonings. I think then we're gonna mix and not mix it with my hand. I'm gonna mix it with a spoon. And mix up all this together, put in the fridge, like stay there for a little while and soaking them seasonings good before I put it in the pot. So let me mix this and we'll move on to other things. It's already boiled the noodles, already made the chow mein, and it's just the chicken to do. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, mix up the seasoning and move on. My noodles are finished. I have some more noodles boiling because the pot kind of small, so I couldn't boil all the noodles together, but noodles are finished. So we have the chow mein in the pot, more noodles boiling over here, and then noodles here, and then the chicken soaking in seasoning in the fridge. We're going to take it out just now and stew that down to get sweet stewed chicken for my food. I want to make salad with this, but I just too much. No potato salad today. Another day. I try not to have to do all that work now, so yeah. Again, I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm sorry for the bad angles one thing. One hand holding the phone and one hand trying to do the pot. So yeah, that's why you're getting up, so down, so because of the one hand thing, right? And I'm trying not to get burned at the same time. So anyway, let me stir up this properly, put in my coconut milk, like cook, and I'm gonna show them my food, right? Right? Okay. The stewed chicken bubbling. Only watch it. Only cook like me, no? can't cook like me, no. Oh, they're probably cooking better, but I don't care. I like my own food, right? Right? Okay. My stew chicken cooking all that. Nelly done cook. Nelly done cook. Look at the food. 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 And then I have my chow mein. And then my noodles and my cup of juice. My whole cup of Kool-Aid. Only no Kool-Aid is life. So, chicken cooking. Chow mein done. Noodles over here. Olea. Olea. Ah! Sorry for the shaking. You don't feel nauseous. But yes, so I almost done cook. And I'll see the finished result in a little bit. So y'all, check it out. My food is cooked and ready to go. I have my noodles. I have my chow mein, my cabbage and stuff, and carrot. And then I have my stew chicken there. This is packed lunch for tomorrow though. But this is what I'll be eating for lunch today. And I love it. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Yes, a lunch for today. So this is my Sunday lunch. I don't think I'm going to be recording again for the rest of the day. But means is a real short video. I'm real sorry, but look at my lunch. Look at my lunch. Look at my lunch. Look at my lunch. Food, right? Comment down below if you all eat this. Or any version of this, because when I was younger my mother used to mix the cabbage in the noodles, and sometimes she would put like little pieces of meat and stuff like that in it and then make a sauce separate. But I'm not really good at making it like that, so I make it like this, right? So yeah, so this is my lunch here. Okay y'all, so that is my Sunday lunch today. That is what I'm going to cook, and somebody decides to turn on like a power washer or something like that right when I record it. And all that, look at me here growing out. I contemplated whether or not to cut it again or grow it back. I really don't know, but I feel like I want to cut it again. But I don't know. But anyway, guys, I am not recording. Or at least I don't think I'm going to record for the rest of the day. But you'll see. So I wanted you all to comment down below and let me know what else y'all want to see me cook. Whatever foods y'all want to see me cook, what is eat on a regular daily basis, let me know and I could do that for y'all. Make a video out of it, because you know we start back the Bus A Pot series. So this clearly is going to be episode 2 of the Bus A Pot series. No, I did not give y'all a step-by-step on how I was cooking the food, and I'm really sorry. But only Trini I surely know how to make stew chicken, so I didn't really need to give all a step-by-step on that. The food was fairly easy to make, but if y'all want a step-by-step on how I made today's lunch, let me know. But don't forget to comment down below what else y'all want me to cook on this channel. So I am ending the vlog here because I'm hungry. I'm gonna go and eat, and then I need to go and situate myself, because I want to record another video. I'm not sure if I'm recording it tonight. So long I had to record that video and I just not. But don't kill me for that. All yeah, I have things going on, so I'm not getting time to actually sit down and record a video. So yeah, so I'll try to see if I can do that today, and then that depends on the baby, how she behaves. So anyway, let me end this vlog and I will see you all next time. So thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking that big red word that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all of your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans. Come back here every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday for another vlog, even though I have not been keeping up with my days, but I'm trying to get vlogs out, but things happening, so don't really have the time to vlog. But still, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns, anything else you want to see next on my channel. Don't forget, self-love is important. Take care of your mental health, and obviously don't forget to smile. So thanks again guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye bye.